KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. I've got a really unusual one. We're putting two different recipes together. I'm going to make Burgers Dianne, and believe me, this is worth it. Right, into a saucepan, a little bit of butter, and I've got around about 5 or 6 mushrooms that I've just sliced up roughly, pretty thin. We don't want them too chunky. Just let those cook down. Every now and then give them a bit of a stir. Freshly ground black pepper straight over the top, probably around about a 1/4 teaspoon. Same again, some freshly ground Himalayan pink rock salt. If you don't have that, use whatever salt you do have. We want to put the equivalent to around about 1½ cloves of garlic. I'm using my garlic paste. If you're a subscriber, you know I like to use these pastes. They last for ages and they're just quick and easy and simple. Keep stirring those mushrooms through. You can see they're starting to wilt down a little bit. I'm going to give a good splash of Worcestershire sauce or Worcester sauce. That goes straight in. You can see that starting to flame or steam up. Big dollop of Dijon mustard. Probably about 2 tablespoons worth in all honesty. Keep stirring that through. As you can see, those mushrooms are starting to wilt down and they're starting to leave behind some of their juice. Give it a good splash of brandy straight over the top, and I'm going to flambe this. A, it looks really cool, but B, it'll just burn off the alcohol and leave the brandy flavour behind. I've actually had to cut this footage down because I put so much brandy in and the fire went forever. So just keep stirring those through those flames. Good little splash of cream, probably around about 60 ml worth. Give that a bit of a stir like that. Everything's come together nicely. Put in around about 2, maybe 3 scallions or spring onions. Give that a stir, and we can put that aside and wait until we go to our next step, which is making our burgers. And if you don't know how to make a hamburger, well, there's something wrong. All I do, beef mince, roll up into a ball, put it on some baking paper and give it a good smush out and make them nice and flat. These are a smash type burger. I'm just going to cook these off for around about 3 minutes aside maximum. We want these to be just nicely cooked. Right? So all we do is put those in, let them sit. The only thing we need to do, add a little bit of salt over the top. Nothing else. No pepper, no nothing. Just a little bit of salt. Let them cook through. You can see the blood coming to the top of the ground meat there. Give it a flip when that happens, and we just want that beautiful colour like that. Simply put those over to the side. They will stay warm for around about 10 minutes or so, and it also lets the burger relax a little bit. Just continue on with the rest of the burgers that you do have. Just keep cooking those off, and we're pretty much getting ready to serve up. Okay, so put your burgers down on a plate just like that. You can see I've got that Diane sauce back on the hot plate there, just on a very low heat, just to get a bit more heat back into it. And you can serve this up any way you like. I'm going to serve it up with some really nice crinkle fries that I've just done in the deep fryer, just store bought of course. And all you have to do now is add your sauce straight over the top of your burger, and before you know it, you have KP's Burger Dianne. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you watching this. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make crazy ideas like this and other simple recipes, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat these mad Burger Dianne, and I will catch you next time. Bye!